So, you're thinking about driving for Relay, huh? Good choice. But let's get down to brass tacks. How do you actually get paid? I mean, it's all well and good picking up and delivering packages, but at the end of the day, we all want to know when that sweet cash is hitting our accounts. Right? Now, I know what you're thinking. It's a delivery app, so it's probably like Uber or Lyft. Well, you're kinda right, but there are a few key differences. Let's break it down. First off, Relay is pretty upfront about its payment structure. There's no hidden fees or confusing rate cards. You get paid a flat rate per delivery, and that rate depends on a few factors like the distance, the weight of the package, and the delivery time frame. Once you've completed a delivery, both you and the recipient confirm the details through the app. This is crucial because it's how Relay verifies that the job is done. Think of it as a digital handshake. Now, here's where things get interesting. Relay offers two main payment options, Instant Pay and Standard Pay. Let's talk about Instant Pay first. It's like having a little cash cow right there in your pocket. As soon as you and the recipient confirm the delivery, you can request to be paid instantly. The money is usually transferred to your bank account or debit card within a few minutes. It's like having a mini payday after every delivery. But what if you don't need the money right away? Well, that's where Standard Pay comes in. With Standard Pay, your earnings are typically settled on a weekly basis. This might be a better option if you prefer to manage your money a bit more closely. It's important to note that while Instant Pay is super convenient, there might be a small fee associated with it. So, it's always a good idea to weigh the pros and cons based on your financial situation. Now, let's talk about tips. Yes, you heard that right. You can actually earn tips on Relay. While it's not guaranteed, many customers appreciate good service and might leave a tip. The tip amount is added to your earnings, and you can choose to get it instantly or as part of your Standard Pay. Another thing to keep in mind is that Relay might have certain requirements or qualifications for Instant Pay. For example, you might need to maintain a certain rating or have a clean driving record. It's always a good idea to check the Relay app or website for the most up-to-date information. So, there you have it. Getting paid on Relay is generally pretty straightforward. Whether you opt for instant gratification or prefer a more traditional payment schedule, there's a payment option to suit your needs. But remember, while the payment system is essential, it's just one part of the puzzle. To truly succeed as a Relay driver, you need to focus on providing excellent customer service, being efficient, and knowing your city like the back of your hand. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy delivering.